My daughter is so helpful. She tries her best to help me in the kitchen when I'm doing stuff. She always wants to be there with me, and I'm so grateful. I'm so happy that she's willing to learn. She really wants to, you know, help mommy, and yeah, I like that. Because cleanliness, this is something that I preach here on my channel. Cleanliness is next to godliness, and I like that she likes to keep things clean. So yeah, here you can see we just packed the dishwasher, and we're about to run it and start the dishes. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna hand wash some dish too, and just clean up the rest of the kitchen. So yeah, put the small stuff away. You can see me getting into the sink, like giving it a proper clean up, so I can just put away the other stuff and so on and so forth. So yeah. Guys, up and editing this video, I realized that I am chewing my mouth off. I'm like, I don't know, I didn't realize I was like eating some gum or whatever during the video. But anyway, as you can see, I move on to the living room area. I'm just putting stuff away, tidying up a bit because it's in the evening and one wants to go to bed with like really tidy home so I can wake up the next day with some clean and fresh home. And I'm checking my plants to see if they need some water and so on and so forth. And just adding some nice scent to my place, and you can, yeah, just to make it a little bit homey. so I can enjoy the rest of the evening with my baby. um Guys, if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so. So here I'm moving on to the hallway. It's not a lot to do. I just need to move the shoes away and just really like, like pick up a bit, put some stuff away, adjust the carpet. I need to probably even remove it and like shake it, because my daughter, she comes home with like so much sand from school. There's like always lots of sand in my home, like at the entrance way at least. I hate freaking sand, so that's something I have to do pretty often, like, remove the carpet or the mat, the doormat, and just really shake it and adjust and get it clean and tidy, because I hate walking when there's like stuff on the floor. Oh my god, that's the worst feeling, to have stuff under your feet, like walking. So yeah, that's done, and then I'm gonna just move to my bedroom and straighten it up. I don't know what it is about me, but like having to have my bed made before I actually get in it at night, because I did not make my bed this morning because of I was running late for work and school with my daughter, whatever. And but when I get home, I just have to make my bed before I actually get in bed. Yeah. If anybody else does or do stuff like that, please let me know. You drop me a comment. Your girl is curious. So guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and please um leave me a comment, subscribe and like, and yeah, let your girl know what she can do better. And I hope you guys really enjoy or get some kind of motivation from this, because I'm exhausted, but I'm trying to get it done anyway.